discussed many questions which based on application of linear equation, in which we have solved several questions like money based question, like number based question and age based question. Here we solve questions based on money. So let's see our the first question is a piggy bank contains only 20 paise coins. A piggy bank contains only 20 paise coins. If the total value of money is 60 rupees, if the total value of money is 60 rupees, then find the number of coins in the piggy bank. Okay, so the question is we have to find the number of coins. We have to find number of coins. So from the question we shall consider the number of coins is equal to x because the number of coins is unknown. So in order to suppose the unknown quantity we start from here. So first we write, let us consider the number of coins is equal to x. The number of coins is equal to x. Therefore, total value for 20 paise is equal to 20 multiplied by x is equal to 20x. Why is it so? We have considered the number of coins is equal to x, then the value for 20 paise is equal to 20 multiplied by x. Because just suppose that if I ask you that how much money will be if you have 5 notes of 50 rupees. If I ask that how much money will you have if I gave you 5 notes of 50 rupees, then you have note of 50 rupees and how many notes? 5 notes. Then we just multiply 5 to 50, then we get the total amount. Similarly, here we have number of coins is equal to x. So all the coins are of 20 paise. So how much money will be when the number of total coin is x? Then the total money will be 20x. I hope the supposition is clear. Now the next, the amount of money is equal to 60 rupees. Here we have the total amount of money is 60 rupees and we have the coin of 20 paise. So here the requirement is to be convert rupees into paise. For this, as we know that 1 rupee is equal to 100 paise. So that 60 rupees is equal to 60 multiplied by 100 paise, and this is equal to 6,000 paise. Now, according to the question, 20 paise makes 60 rupees. So we have the number of total coin is equal to x, so that 20 paise coin is equal to 20x. Therefore 20x is equal to 6000, and this implies x is equal to 6000 upon 20. Here we have 20 is multiplied with x, so when it goes to the right side become divided, and then we have x is equal to 300, which is our required result. The question is very simple. Let's see again. A piggy bank contains only 20 paise coins. A piggy bank contains 20 paise coins only. If the total value of money is 60 rupees, then find the number of coins in the piggy bank. So let us consider the number of coins is equal to x. We suppose that how much coins in the piggy bank, that is x coins in the piggy bank, and the total value for 20 paise, then we have 20 multiplied by x is equal to 20x. As I told you why it is so, and also given that the amount of money is equal to 60 rupees. Here we have that the coins are in paise and the total amount is given in rupee. So we need to convert rupee into paise, because the operation between paise and rupee is not possible. As we know that the operation is only possible when the quantity are same. So that here the need is we have to convert rupee into paise. So we know that 1 rupee is equal to 100 paise, so that 60 rupees is equal to 60 multiplied by 100, and this is equal to 6000 paise. So 60 rupees is equal to 6000 paise. Now, according to the question, we have to find out the value of coins of 20 paise. So we write that 20x is equal to 6000, and apply transposition method, we get x is equal to 6000 upon 20. 1 0 become cancel out, 2 1 are 2, 2 3 are 6, 3 and 2 0 is given, so that x is equal to 300. That means the piggy bank contains 300 paise of 20, 300 coins of 20 paise. I hope it is clear. Now let us see the next problem. A wallet contains 250 rupees in 25 paise coins. How many such coins are there? How many such coins are there? The problem is very simple. Let us see its solution. The problem is a wallet contains 250 rupees in 25 paise coins. That means in a wallet there are only coins of 25 paise, which makes 250 rupees in total. And so that we have to find here total number of coins of 25 paise. So let us start. Let us consider number of coins is equal to x, and total value for 25 paise coin is equal to 25 multiplied by x, and this is equal to 25x. And also total amount of money is equal to 250 rupees. Here we suppose that the number of coins is equal to x. We suppose the number of coins is equal to x. So the value for 25 paise coins is equal to 25x. As I told you in the previous question that if I gave you 5 notes of 50 rupees, then how much money will you have? For this, you just multiply 5 to 50, you will get your result. In the same way, if I gave you x coins of 25 paise, then how much money will you have? Then you just multiply 25 by x, you will get 25x. That means you have 25x paise. And also the total amount in the wallet is 250 rupees. Then according to our problem, then we get 25x is equal to 250, or 25x is equal to 25000, 250 rupees in paise. 250 rupees in paise. Here I convert 250 into paise, then we get 25,000 paise. That means 250 rupees is equal to 25,000 paise. Now solve it, or x is equal to 2500 or 25,000 upon 25, and after solving we get x is equal to 1000. This shows that the number of coins in the wallet is equal to 1000 of 25 paise. I hope it is clear. If you have any problem, then you can comment. I will clear your doubt in the next video. Let's see the question once again. A wallet contains 250 rupees in 25 paise coin. That means in a wallet there are only 25 coins, which makes 250 rupees. then our aim is to be find the number of coins. That means how much coins does the wallet have. So let's start. In the first stage, we have to consider the unknown quantity, that is number of coins is equal to x, and we write the value for this unknown quantity, that is 25x, and also given total money, total amount in the wallet is equal to 250 rupees. So according to the question, we have 25x is equal to 250 rupees. Why we write the equality here? Because we suppose that total number of coins in the wallet is x and they are all of 25 paise, which is equal to the 250 rupees. Therefore 25x is equal to 250. Here 25x are in paise and 250 is in rupee. So we have to convert rupees into paise. We get 25,000 when we multiply 250 by 100. So we have x is equal to 25,000 upon 25, and after solving that means 25 1 25 and 25 1 25, and then we get x is equal to 1000. That means the total number of coins or 25 paise in the wallet is equal to 1000. I hope everything is clear. So I give you a question for the assignment and you will solve. So please write the question and try to solve. If you are unable to solve this question, I will solve in the next video. So please write the question that I write here. I have some 20 paise coins and an equal number of 10 paise coins. The total amount of money, is 300 rupees. How many coins? Then how many coins of each denomination are there? I know that the question is look like some complicated, but if you will try, then I hope you will solve this question. So note is here and try to solve this question. If you are unable, then I will solve this question in the next video. So thanks for watching my video.